Welcome back to Ocean of Luxury Car. The 2025 Mazda 3 is a compact car that beautifully blends style, performance, and smart technology into one well-rounded package. Available in both sedan and hatchback versions, the Mazda 3 is built for drivers who want more than just a basic ride. It's for those who enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Every inch of this vehicle reflects Mazda's dedication to elegance and quality. With sleek lines, a well-balanced shape, and a premium design, the Mazda 3 truly stands out in the compact car segment. Mazda has also priced the 2025 Mazda 3 with value in mind. The base sedan starts at $25,000, while the hatchback begins at $26,135. That's $704 less than last year's model. It's a smart move, offering more features and improved design at a lower cost. Inside, the cabin delivers a modern, quiet space for both drivers and passengers. Starting from under the hood, the standard engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder delivering 191 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission for smooth and confident driving. If you're someone who loves more control, the premium hatchback trim also offers a 6-speed manual transmission, providing a more connected driving experience. If you're craving even more performance, opt for the turbocharged engine, also 2.55 liters. But this one puts out up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. All turbocharged models come with all-wheel drive as standard, offering better grip and handling in any weather. The Carbon Edition trim brings a sportier vibe with exclusive styling touches and includes all-wheel drive as well. The 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback is expected to arrive this summer, followed by the sedan in the fall. Whether you prefer the sleek, elegant look of the sedan or Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from Ocean of Luxury Car.